Hi guys, this is my assignment 2 for session 2 today. As you can see in my code here, I have done a shopping list manager, and these are my code. Okay, before I explain the code, let me demonstrate on how the program works. So let me click run. Okay, this is a shopping list manager where we can add item or view the list, and then we can also mark whether the item has been purchased or not. Then we can also remove the item, and number 5, exit the program. Okay, so at first I'm going to view the cart. So as you can see here, it says shopping list is empty. So since the shopping list is empty, I'm going to add some item. So for adding the item, I'll have to press number 1. Okay, it's asking me to enter item to add. Say I want to add eggs, and then it says eggs added to the list. Say I want to add more items, so I'm going to press number 1 again. This time I'm going to add bread. Okay, bread added to the list, and then I'm going to add again. Say I'm going to add milk. Okay, so I have added 3 items. So let's view the list. So number 2 for viewing the list. Okay, here as you can see, my shopping list, I have 3 items added, and notice that it is indicating 0 0 0 here, right? So 0 means that I haven't purchased these items yet. So say I have already purchased the item, and I want to mark the item as been purchased. So for that, I have to press number 3, and it says enter item to toggle the purchase status. Say I have already purchased the bread, so number 2 for bread, and then bread, it says bread has been marked as purchased. Say if I view the list again, here you notice that bread has been marked with number 1. So 1 means the item has been purchased. 0 is indicating that the item is still haven't purchased. Okay. Okay, say that I want to remove bread, since I've already purchased bread, right? So I have to click number 4 to remove, and here it says enter item number to remove. Since bread has been purchased, so I'm going to enter number 2 here. So this will remove bread from the list. Okay, if I view my list again, you can see in my list I have 2 items to be purchased. Okay, number 5 is to exit the program. So I'm going to exit the program now. Exiting shopping list manager. Goodbye. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Thanks again. See you on next video. Bye.